In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off iPhone. So it is quick and easy. Aside from using the volume hub and power button to turn off your iPhone, there are other means that you can indulge in to turn off your iPhone. So here, I'm going to show you the quickest way. So a lot of people use the power button, the volume up and the power button to turn off their iPhone. And you can also use shortcut to turn off your iPhone. So I have this shortcut set up on my iPhone. And if I click on it, it's going to shut down my iPhone straight away. So you can see, shut down. If I click on the automation, it's going to shut down my iPhone. Now, if you don't want to use automation or you don't want to use the volume up and power button to turn off your iPhone, what then can you do? Let me show you how to shut down your iPhone straight away. Just go to your iPhone settings. While on the settings, scroll down and click on General. Once you hit the General button, you need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. And then there is a feature called Shutdown. Tap on it. Once you tap Shutdown, you should see the slider asking you to slide to power off. All you need to do, you just slide just like this, and there you go. My iPhone is turned off. If you follow this step on your iPhone will be turned off as well. Power on your iPhone, all you need to do is press the power button for like 5 to 10 seconds. Once the Apple logo appears on the iPhone screen, then you let go, and after a couple of seconds, your iPhone will boot to the main screen and you'll be prompted to type in your iPhone passcode and you'll be able to access your iPhone just like so. This is how to turn off iPhone and how to turn on iPhone. So guys, if this video is helpful, you want to hit the like button, of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.